I will show you how to earn $100 per day using ChatGPT. These are some ChatGPT screenshots that I took earlier today. You can see here that I asked ChatGPT how to make money online, and it gave me a really good answer. One of those answers was to create a blog post or write a blog post about something that you read knowledgeable in and then monetize it through ads. So I did exactly that. It said, as a large language model, I don't have personal experience or the ability to make money. However, I can suggest some methods that people use to earn $100 per day using AI chatbots like me. The first method it suggested was to use me to create content for clients. Now when I read this, I thought to myself, yeah, this is definitely one way to go. But I wonder if there's something a little bit different that we could try. So I decided to ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT came back and gave me some great suggestions like ebooks, checklists, planners, and more. But the one that caught my eye was freelance icons. Now when I saw this, I thought to myself, I wonder what they mean by freelance icons. So I decided to ask ChatGPT to elaborate on what freelance icons are. And then it came back and gave me a great definition. It said, freelance icons typically refer to pre-designed graphics or symbols that represent various services or skills offered by independent contractors or freelancers. They are often used in portfolios, profiles, or websites to visually communicate the types of work a freelancer specializes in. For example, a writer might display icons representing writing, editing, proofreading, or translation services. A graphic designer might showcase icons for graphic design, web design, illustration, or branding. A marketing consultant might feature icons for social media marketing, search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, or email marketing. Then I thought to myself, hey, this is actually a really cool idea. I can use ChatGPT to generate different types of freelance icons, and then I can sell these freelance icons to people who need them. So I decided to test it out, and I typed in, create 5 different freelance icons for a writer. Then it generated these 5 freelance icons. Let me show you a couple more examples. I asked for 5 different freelance icons for a graphic designer, and it came up with these great options. I even asked for 5 different freelance icons for an accountant, and it delivered. This is where things get interesting. I decided to type in, I made the title bigger, and then I went back to ChatGPT and I said, write an introduction paragraph for a blog post about how to choose the best freelance icon for your business. And then I pasted that in. Then I went down to the next heading, which was tips for choosing the right freelance icon, and I pasted that in. And then I went back to ChatGPT and I said, write 3 tips for choosing the best freelance icon for your business. It wrote those tips, and then I just kept repeating that process until I had a complete article that I could publish online. Once again, these are the screenshots of the article that I published, and I have it uploaded to Medium. I will leave the link to this article in the description below. The next step was to monetize this article, and the best way to do that was to create ads. Once I created those ads, I attached them to the article, and now I can start earning money from this article. And the great thing about this is that I can repeat this process over and over again. I can write multiple articles on different topics and then monetize them with ads. Now let me show you some of the sales that I got from this article. The first screenshot that I want to show you is from Fiverr. As you can see, somebody downloaded my freelance icon template and they paid $4.50 for it. Here's another sale from Fiverr. This person paid $10 for a set of 20 freelance icons. Now let me show you some of the sales that I got from Upwork. This person paid me $30 for 10 freelance icons. Here's another sale from Upwork. This person paid me $50 for a set of 20 freelance icons. And lastly, this person also bought a set of 20 freelance icons and they paid me $75. You can see here that I've earned $208 from these freelance icons. And the best part about this is that I didn't have to do any of the work. ChatGPT did all the work for me. To get started, all you have to do is to click the link in the description below. Once you click that link, you will be redirected to this page. Once you get to this page, all you have to do is to click on the blue button that says Try ChatGPT. It will take you to this page, and then all you have to do is to scroll down and click on Agree and Continue. It will ask you to log in. You can log in with your Google account or your Apple ID, or you can sign up for a free account. Once you're signed up, you'll be taken to this page, and all you have to do is to type in whatever you want to write about, and then press enter. For example, you can type in what are some ideas for a blog post about freelance icons and then press enter. And then it will give you some ideas. And then you can use those ideas to write your own blog post. And once you've written the blog post, you can upload it to Medium and then monetize it with ads, and then you can start earning money. Before we wrap up, I want to show you my channel logo. This is my channel logo, and if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. If you have any questions about anything that I shared in this video, please leave them in the comments below. I will do my best to answer as many questions as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.